Hello friends, I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with lesson 4, the revolt of 1857. In that we will cover the concept 4.1, the first war of independence. We will see the important centers of the revolt. Just put one look on it. Meerut, Delhi, Audh, Kanpur, Jhansi, Gwalior. See, we have here a map also which shows the exact location of those places which are the important centers of the revolt. People from different sections of the society had joined the war. The leaders of the revolt also came from different classes and communities. Among them was Nana Sahib, who led the revolt in Kanpur. Here we have the image of Nana Sahib Peshwa and second image which shows the Kanpur location by black dot. There are many more rulers who led the revolt from different places, which are those, let's see. Rani Lakshmi Bai from Jhansi, Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi of Ramgarh, Birji Kudar of Lucknow, and other they fought the direct battle with British. Here we have some images which shows the exact location of Jhansi. The black dot in this map which shows the exact location of Jhansi. Next we have the image of Avanti Bai who led the revolt from Ramgarh. Here we have the image of Jharkhand state and in that orange part is shaded which shows the exact location of Ramgarh. Next we have the image of Birji Kudar who led the revolt from Lucknow, and here by third image you can easily understand the exact location of Lucknow. Next we will see about Bhagat Khan was the commander-in-chief of the Indian rebel forces in the region of Delhi during the Indian revolt of 1857 against the East India Company. He was a soldier from Bareilly. Here we have the image of Bhagat Khan and the image which shows the exact location of Bareilly. Next we will see about the Kunwar Singh was a notable leader during the revolt of 1857. He belonged to a royal family of Jagdishpur, currently a part of Bhojpur district, Bihar in India. Now see here we have an image of Kunwar Singh and we have the image of India's map which shows the exact location of Bihar. Next we will see about Liaquat Ali Khan, who was the schoolmaster, led the revolt in Allahabad. Afterwards, he joined to the Muslim League. After the independence, he became the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Here, just put one glance on the image of Liaquat Ali Khan, and by second image, you can get to know that exact location of Pakistan. Next, we will move for Tatya Tope, was one of the most notable Indian freedom fighters and a general in the revolt of 1857. Even with no formal military training, he was one of the effective fighters. He was hanged till death on April 18, 1859 by the British rulers. Here you can just have a look on Tatya Tope. Next, we will see the detail about it, but the British fought back with all their power. They captured Delhi and Bahadur Shah Zafar was sent to Rampur. It is the part of Myanmar. Rani Lakshmi Bai died fighting with the British in 1858. The other leaders were either captured or killed. Hundreds of the people were tied to cannons and blow away. Thousands were hanged. Whole villages were burned down. The British were able to suppress the revolt, and finally the revolt failed. See, by seeing the image, you can easily come to know the exact location of Delhi. By second image, you can understand how the Britishers, they were ordered for the cannon. And the last image, by that you can understand the real situation was in the revolt of 1857. Next, a very important and the big point of today's session. What was that? Important leaders and the major centers of 1857 revolt. First, we have here the Lucknow. Who led the revolt from Lucknow? Begum Hazrat Mahal and Birji Kudar. Who led the revolt from Kanpur? Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope. Who led the revolt from Jhansi? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Who led the revolt from Bihar? Kuwar Singh and Amar Singh. Who led the revolt from Delhi? Bahadur Shah II. Who led the revolt from the Barakpur? Mangal Pandey. Who led the revolt from the Gwalior? Tatya Tope. And who led the revolt from the Awadh? Birji Kudar. But unfortunately, the revolt was suppressed by the Britishers. How did the British suppress the revolt of 1857? Let's see. The British took the following steps to suppress the revolt of 1857. The British officer captured the Delhi from the rebels, which was the major center of the revolt 1857. They destroyed the Kashmiri Gate, in which hundreds of the people were killed. British saved their troops and ordered open fire where the people gathered for revolt. Bahadur Shah Zafar II was exiled to Rangoon. His sons were cruelly killed by the British as they stood against the British and killed many British officers and their families. The control of Delhi and imprisonment of the Bahadur Shah Zafar broke the backbone of the revolt 1857. Lucknow was captured in 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in June 1858 at Gwalior. Tatya Tope was captured and hanged to death. In such a way, British suppressed the revolt of 1857. So in this way, today we have covered how the British suppressed the revolt 1857 and how the different leaders, they led the revolt from different places. Next part of it we will continue in next session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.